I know this week video was sponsored by Big Papa. Someone I them remember it's all about November the 29th. Place to be. Sherwood Forest Community Center. Big Papa present a thing called the throwback. You see me I say? Yeah, 6-a-side football and a bag of things are going in idea. You see me I say 6 bad sound a string up. You don't know thing called Ghetto Hero. Crazy vibes. Sound stream, sound exclusive, RCS. Thing called the King Thunder. So who can reach? So may I say, yeah, Big Papa, big up yourself. Big up the whole of Sherwood Community Center, Yeah. So people, remember, November the 29th, Sherwood Community Center. And that's the way I got there. Media coverage, all courtesy of DJ Crazy, So, our fans them roll out at the party, roll out and give us support.
That feature big bad song called Amazon Song. I took it for
yeah, when I'm not checking some them and bring them to me and make sure I'm not doing facts.
Yo, a Junior Murphy need play, brother. Yo, a Junior Murphy need play,
Run please. Somebody run with your check. Somebody then find 19 something there. No, yes, so we don't know. So this is my advance then.
Me no want a straight face round.
Till sound goes to war. Till sound goes to war. Tell them Bruno, me say we know you want the number one. This one, ding. Whoa. War, my son, we know we are down. Hey, bang, better angle bang. What dang. Yeah, bro, listen. 'Cause I know it's late, and I know you'll be there. I know you're planning, then they're gonna win me. Silly we are. Bruno sound is the number one sound. Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking. We're gonna dust in the sound tonight. Don't want no dibby sound. Yeah, Bruno sound. Whoa. Bruno them kill a sound. Bruno tell them say one more night. We kill them so one more night. Bruno kill them so one more night. Sound clash no easy. Hold on. Well, when Bruno rings and dubs in head, no need to ball, no need to beg. Champion us even lead. Oh Lord. Yes, Bruno. Oh yeah. Bruno always killing sound, yeah. Mother never think like the sound, yes. See, I don't know nothing much about no jump and sound. I don't know about working with the system. I don't know about life on Miami Beach. But me will tell you about the streets. Ask them about Bruno. Yeah. Bruno. Whoa. Early dance all morning. Bruno killer sound boy. Left it drunk to feeding. 4 generation these niggas down now. Yeah, loud. Yo, Bruno, what does some boy? Can't go out like that. Never yet get a chance. Yeah. Well, let me hear you them whoa. Yeah. Well, let me hear you them whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. With the bar, number one. You should know, bring the tear enough, spear enough. One, two, enough. Bruno don't for you enough. Yo, Bruno don't for from here enough. Say bad man fucking fear enough. Well, Bruno no business, everybody dead. Try to hold the peace and hard boss in our head. Bruno a robot from head down to Z. Party boy to make your freedoms get to your head.
Please the man called the shot man can walk this one let's go on. Easy grabber. Original rude boy son, Bruno. Tell them this, a boy can't play them don't play them. Tell them Bruno. In him, Bruno a pop it off rough on for them there. Tough on for them there.
Check the one in the head, good. Oh yeah. Boo 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 boo. Hey yeah. Big bad Bruno, big sound. Any boy this them that now. Sound boy. Bruno, I go kill you. Because him here say you're freaky. And Natalie say, and me say, he say, she say you eat it true. Bruno, slap one in the food. Yo, Dan, yeah. See what the new thing with the new spice, it's like going on. Yo. Watch him on, Bruno play on.
Watch the number champion, think that I'm Jala bring. Play ball songs to make it, get them all different culture with different culture, call for DC, bomb, all the grand town. Do it, yeah. Them check them feel like that.
Money green! Come on, turn up! Up next! Money green! Warm up, remember this song as station identification this year.
You know, long me telling you something. They say the people them up a sail them run away be voucher your sentence. Then tell me say anything for dead tonight. I got dead. I mean I tell you say big bad under go murder jump and son boy. So you can call when him for look fame tonight. And I go shame and right now on it tap the big tune your aim. Run it make we show them up big bad under kill people. Simple. None of mercy. Boy. Big spot under we name. I will not play dirty game. But the general want them one more time. You wrong fi con trouble the champion. Say big sack kill you. Aye. Big spot under the champion sound. Now the long talking need and a big yeah, me. Come look up, full up, 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 look up, full up. Let me say, come look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up, look up, full up. Big fight. What we do? Play from now till the morning, man. Me feel like fist up. Why some of them come never dance the music, some of them.
Alright, remember this is just a warm-up song. Stop in my body, you're next.
Stuff in mobile sound. Yeah, man. I them are on the place, man. Yeah, man. George Hook said that. I mean, I say, yo, yeah, yeah, me try him. Rush on. Yeah. Stuff in mobile, I play. You know. If you didn't know, then you know right now. Hey. Stuff in mobile sound. He's the general. In all of the sun, them a come applaud. For the stuff thing, he's the general. In all of the sun.
Next one, you're next.
Listen me, Nismo. Let some boy know that the real war go start now. You boy over there son named Bruno. Your brother take some raw suit and me get to find out so when I walk through bush on a passport. Your donkey visa and call pussy passport. And you over there son your bad influence and go like animal in your last soap. You go in here with the box where you think we are using raw soap. You want to know what gas soap come like your bun raw scope. Buckler. Pirate. Them boy that talk about war and the name of the diary. Sentan. From Bruno to the boy no raise the gun and a big gun we bust a think and baby gun and move off and we not say boy clear we gun and this one tell for your life and be in gun and cause
I want to buy your own next. Vice note.
Vice now. I don't know what thing go.
You were getting serious now.
Vice now, sound really bad in studio. For the police. Yes, you know, this is Richard Spice presenting. Play up! Yeah, Rasta love. I was a play this song. Yes. Na 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 na. Vice now, to the side. Yes. Hey, watch those faces you're walking like. For them thin pan sound, no claim say that them smart. Watch out for them thin pan sound, no claim say that them slim.
Anyways, up next, Crazy Brown.
Crazy Brown sound them for no say I saw something set out to see. Father Brown them for no say I saw something set out to see. I say y'all Jeremy, Skeng, J-Lam, Shane, Gotcha. Attic, John Moses. Crazy Brown sound. Civilized Center represent Crazy Brown. Respect Crazy Brown, cause them not sell out. We kill jump and sound all about. Father Brown, respect Crazy Brown sound. We kill jump and sound all over. Lock down in the street, cause we're not afraid. The sound violate, kill them with the blade. Crazy Brown, no take talk from no selector. Kill boy all over. Kill the sound.
Up next, Bruno Mobile.
This is the mobile tsunami. Giant car park. You never beat them and laugh. Take the plate and pump them in half. This is new merciless. Bruno tell them so I bun burst the best. With him. Everybody know them one over there so sex dream. Port Maria, howdy. Bruno take the trophy tonight with proudly. Yeah, hear me? Bruno. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Bruno. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Big Pop, fat and frozen like hot. Bad influence, ugly and favor bullfrog. Stuff with them favor when donkey one pot. And Pooh Bop claims to still and say I'm glad. Vice got you know say you foot them big bad. Digital sound full of mad Jerona farm. I pat on them sound stop sell panty pad. None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Bruno you hear? None of them sound they no bad. None of them sound they no bad. Hey Port Maria, I want the some boy. Hey. Miss go a big Batman in I'm district. Wipe on them pussy like animal biscuit. Ultimate the Batman and just him up in a lipstick. That's how them beat him in a the dance in a map stick. You think I'm being this? Hard bunty. A bad merciless this from country. Chris Cross all your mind to each say you can't rap with. One back a carry now but fuck him and a monkey. Money green boy you a whole gallus. And you sit down with Batman and a bunch chalice. You make a mother your father embarrass. And you go sleep at hotel with Chuck Norris. D-Max a sweet nating with him father. D-Max you must think so we fear you. We use a gal in your face a rocking cheer you. So when you run a pussy mouth we no hear you. And no time Bruno them no fear you. None of them sound no bad.
Facial identification. Dancehall lesson on the front class stand. No sir. Up next, Game Changer. Game Changer, shoot.
I'm for game changer.
Game Changer, shoot.
Not this one, even this one.
After Game Changer, you have Bad Influence and Money Green, City Benz, D-Max, Puma, Legend, Amazon. Again. Game Changer, you have Bad Influence.
No.
Alright, so let's forward back on this. So Bad Influence, shoot.
Yeah, alright, you want to tell them to spend the lungs? Yeah, this. Bruno, I make love and stuff, you move my soul in the time. And the guitar, I watch a money green back in fist, say that them smile. But out the viper and the crew, them say that them slick. Oh, my heart sliced up them, don't mash up the roots, them that's all I remember. My different killer, that's something.
Up next, Money Green.
You know, say, man, tell you the boys don't say a 6-bar squash himself. Represent the Money Green song. Even though reach the whole port more, if them body on the station. Remember, man?
Come on, come on. Get up, get up.
Money Green mash up round up on the road. Flood, stuffy, must have take pork. Dope, dinner sell back in back road. Choke, the girl them a chat a basis. All your fame and 16 body sport. Blood, Bridget on the top, but up boy skin. Ghost, me with till a boy I'm in a know, for sure. Them me watch it from my feet, so I see a do a post. Can't match up to a killer. Rich bad, listen now, you know what we in. Don't just Money Green sound, we a killer. LDH shot boy, you know what we chill, man. So put yourself for me, say who I'm for you. I ain't trying to get a being too mad. I'll be doing the person that let you kill up and a over. Song about song today. That is Richie and my family. Money Green, I'm a blood and a candle. Don't find out, rapid up the family. Richie have a sick foot, but him man heavy. Money Green, but the boy for the damn way.
Up next is Silly Benz Lover.
We are one of the members that are not juggling, you know. Nobody now, yeah, man, that's how to. Silly Benz. That's how they want to kill me.
Yeah, you know this is Guinea Papa the Saga representing Silly Benz. I know Silly Benz sound. And the bodies, let me ask you silly. Make them know. Anything right against you, kill it.
Boom, boom, just nothing young. Thinking more dirty on. Boom, boom, just nothing young. Thinking more dirty man.
Them sound boy there when they say, girl, them a talk about them, you know. In a face and shit in a face, you know. And you know, the girl them a call them. Hey, the girl them a say, B5 fam, B5 fam. Pussy the boy them gun yam. The girl them say pussy the boy them gun yam. No, the girl them a call them vampire. The girl them a call the son boy vampire. Them yam all them mother. The son boy yam all them mother. Them said that boy they suck pussy, make it pussy go some. Pussy make it.
Sure.
Brasa wala chanzo, dia brasa wala toto, wala sinasa. Brasa nekale, brasa ya float no. Brasa wala amse float. Brasa ya doi max, no no Cristo no. General, no. Somebody, I know it. I know you. I know you're planning. I'm turning to the weed. Silly, the max is dead. Now we for shelter. A heart like the city. Why should we worry? Nothing will kill.
Puma. Sure.
Puma sound a ramp with people at Irish trying to represent. A music card for you, see me? Lindsay Church Road, Backward Crew. Squeeze! Hey, Puma sound. It's a battlefield. Hot, 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 hot. It's a Puma sound. World's greatest. Beware. Puma sound well strapped. With X amount of dub for on the place now flat. Beware. Sound boy no give no chat around here. Oh, yes, it's a joy to see Some sound come hype up themselves, we kill them easily. And got to wake up myself to my families. Free the youths of the shell.
Legend.
Sure.
Say no to the time, you know, them people say, King Shiloh.
That's right, sound boy, be careful. Yeah. You're going down. Lace fan with sunshine most of the time. In the dancehall, King Shiloh baby. While your palm tree grow and your rent's so low, but don't you know? Charlotte sounds making the way back. That's the big bad sound of on the bass. Nowadays we love killing sound. Yeah, yeah. My sound is a sound we never play. King Charlotte is a sound we suggest you walk away.
Amazon. Sure.
Amazon United.
Well, this is Stephen Ragamuffin Marley. I'm making notes say Amazon sound. And we run the town. Somewhere for a runner tonight, you know. Port Maria town now. Good again. Dancehall. Big up yourself. Respect.
Change the sound, the reach and set the sound. You like your big up your damn self. Cinema Penny and a Bree, but when I watch them, Sister Kalanji, live on the living colors. Game change the sound.
Yeah, man. Two of them together, yeah.
Game change the sound.
Yeah.
Alright. There's nothing in them system of which they create on the realm. The criticize them from a night train. Get paid, you tell us from. If they were to drown and move on, they're not different from the others, yeah. They lurk in the corners, skylark in the street, flirt in the town. They never do, cause it's shade. Always make a joy, making people busy in the room. Dance again, the fool you dance abroad. Game change and champion sound, so come and get so put the excitement, man.
Alright.
They don't want to know that.
No kick,
Alright.
Remember no pick on the number, right? This is a instant. How you know? See, in zone, I go play a dub. How the crowd pick, move on to the next round. See, so you know, say, pick your destiny. See, everybody have the number, I don't know what time it is. One shot.
So, Big Bad Under going up against Stuffy Mobile. Starting with Big Bad Under.
And I is Big Bad Under sound the ugly and loose class like you. We beg God ring out with face and put it for sun. Because pretty looks done and you no get none. Sound class come and I'll know them no win none. Ya hear me sentence be Major Mac will say them sound over this was stray. Who
Gucci. Ya hear me Brownstone, them a clown. Run that neck done that a one bad sound there. And a beats bad under. So watch this, the other rest of them a blunder. One dub plate from Major Mackerel and send them go sunder. So Nababun pack up and move. Move. Pack up on us all and hey, babuna. The class done and then I win none and the class done but on the cut out them tongue up.
Stop him mobile.
Now hear this. I stuff him mobile. Where is the Jaim? Russian. Father Stuffy. Shoot to kill. Pussy all them dead and gone and them one blood clot generally come this bad man. Yeah, you believe when boy dead before the hey. Run the rhythms just like in killing the talking. Get that look like green card parting. Early Sunday man, pastor preaching, bunch and baking, go to sleep and Stuffy shot, wake him. How would they feel like? Stuffy? We kill us out in the morning, kill us out in the evening, kill us out at a supper time. Stuffy we buy that king and when we know the and we kill them when we bring and we kill them when we're feeling. When what's up with them and a dead blood clot and a dead bomber clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead grass clot. With a dead blood clot and a dead bomber clot.
Hold on. Got a show of hands.
Who's a big spot on that? Win the round there. Put up on one.
Big spot under. Put up the hand them. Take them down.
Who's the Stuffy?
Stuffy.
Alright. So Stuffy. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Just one.
Yeah man, one shot.
One shot.
Up next.
Alright, so up next, Nisma Mobile versus Vice Note.
Nisma.
Send me a song.
Shoot.
Yeah.
You pick the number.
I Nisma. Gunshot with the people. Conscience represent. Yeah, keep the rhythm fast on the skill about faster than the I hear me in the Nisma. Conscience. Nisma. I'm to some third one. Nisma. Landing up from nobody. But them respect everybody. And we better than everybody. So Nisma we're running anybody. There's no friend of better than we.
Vice Note.
Well, you know Vice Note sound. You don't know the ghetto man sound so much in a papa. Just let it play. Right away. Hey, watch out now. Hey, follow me. Hey, go ya now. Vice Note sound. Hey, watch out. Papa in, give them a clip full. Out on them and kill. Drop them with the rifle.
By show of hands. If this not take that round up with the one.
By one shot, one kill. One shot, one kill.
Let them know.
Vice Note.
If Vice don't take it, put up on one.
Vice Note and more.
What is what? Where players stand there?
Vice Note. Yeah man. They are more.
Alright, up next, Crazy Brown versus Bruno Mobile.
Crazy Brown.
Yo, Crazy Brown son. That's a yo father Brown, me say yo Jeremy Skeng. Jalen, yo Shane, yo Culture, yo Maxine, the real queen. Man a fall gonna rise. I just bullet na the mice. Crazy Brown no do some bumbo class sound, but them bother just maggie and flies. We and them pussy on a size. We send them commit Christ. Crazy Brown sound pull up with a blood clot rifle and nothing no nice. A boy better think twice. Alone body pies. From the violate Crazy Brown sound pussy old boy you pay the price. Rifle shot cut them light up. Them blood they run like a ball.
Anybody up there?
This is DJ Bruno. Bruno come to kill off everything that rise up in a dancehall. You ever build a cup of shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with Bruno or the president? Make one pop out a bicycle bar yet? Make police boy run left them car yet? You ever rub out a serial number? When you little make gun out a lumber? You ever hide gun with machine lube yet?
Show of hands. If you say Crazy Brown take the round, they want me to see the handle. Take them down. If you say Bruno take that round, let me see the show of hands. Alright, so Bruno gone with that one. Up next, Game Changer up against Bad Influence. Game Changer, shoot.
What they don't know is the Game Changer song is the ultimate. Big up Jerry, your respect, call up in a youth. Little country say, run the place. Yeah man. Game Changer. Yeah this. Big gun man wines more than the nice. This Game Changer we get the shot between the eyes. Like the front the line, the fastest of the gunshot in the brain.
Bad Influence. Dean, bomber clat, all the sounds so bad and mean. Gunshot for them boy, they will put them face in between. Yo Sharon, what mumsy? Yeah man, the boy the voice if you go Google them mama pussy. I want to them, yo. When Bad Influence cat, in the pussy when no light it. Grab up on the mama body and bite it. We shot pussy with no cost, no fight it. Go get a blood clot, will boy go sit down and write it. Bad Influence.
Show of hands. Who's a Game Changer take the round there?
Who's somebody doing second?
Alright, Honey Green going up against Silly Ben's Mobile.
Honey Green, sure.
Sabalon for them, Sabalon for them, Sabalon for them. I'm gonna come to Money Green Mobile song. I want to come to spread, DJ machine. Why? But I don't care about the bit. Money Green just ready for the dead. Don't matter what they did. Money Green a kill my boss. Well, if this war is war, can't done. And the war, rich in our run. Anything this and they done. Stay down.
Silly Ben's Mobile.
What I'm saying? Silly Ben's time to listen. Big up Silly. I'm at the end of the world right now. Everybody's let it loose like a wild mongoose. Hey, whoa, gotta get them slow.
By show of hands, if one agree with that, put your hand over there here.
No. Two of them can't go. Two of them can't go.
Take them down. All of the silly banks put them behind them.
Alright, so Money Green advance. Up next, D-Max versus Puma. D-Max, shoot.
D-Max, anywhere we go, we please the crowd. Anywhere we go, we please the crowd. You know somebody, you know. We are bad people. Anywhere we go, we please the crowd. I want some boy. And I swing them out and I'm trying to find a Patsy and a Susie to one head boy and I do. Hey, we are afraid of nothing now. They don't know who them and gun this. I jack out them like Burko and Chris. When D-Max in the feeling sound.
You are one to them. Motherfucking niggas, you know they ain't gonna live another day. The fucking cake gonna spray. None of mercy. Bumbo whole body kept decay. Limbs they don't play. Church road. None of mercy. So when I go dead on the world, me I tell. Few of them have a god name, said one I hell. This few of them in a minute.
All who say D-Max win the round, they put up on.
Take them down.
All who say Puma, put up an arm.
Let's dumb this one. Let's dumb this one. D-Max.
Alright, so D-Max full. Legend going up against Amazon. Legend going up against Amazon. Legend, shoot. What a wicked up.
King Shiloh! Boy, blood went out like a mile. I want to them, boy. Them can't style the final rock, killer. Magic, crazy, Professor Blue. Yo, he's sexy killer. It's all like the Godzilla. Well, gunshot to them face. Me punch by me waist. Batman tongue no boy, we no even talk race. Straight from me eyeglass and to me show face. Party one, them can't touch and the lace. Well, and them is King Shiloh bullet off your level.
Amazon, show.
Amazon, some boy disrespect and never know what to have gone. Godzilla shoot them what one. Yeah, and that have one. Yeah, before Amazon charge murder. What I say? I'm going to walk the pretty. Some pussy I go dead in here tonight.
By Showman, all who's a legend, put up behind them right now. Take them down. All who's say Amazon, put up behind them. Amazon, advance to the next show.
Ja, we switchen hem op.
We line them. Start coming out and get serious.
Alright, the roll here best at 3, yeah? We have put it together.
The roll in our best at 3. Line up and back up them. You want to go out, every man has said, what the kind of? Every man has said, every time they pick them get first. So everybody, I'm going to just pick them choice. Who? See? Or who go up next and you think you're going to spin out who's the heads, who's the tails. You're going to see them on the kind go. See?
Hold on. Where is the player?
See, people man go and get them sound together. But you like the thing right now. See there?
Straight.
So,
give me 2 RPRV.
big business.
RPRV processor.
Right?
Yo, you should have make 2 play off and then I'll do it unfair still.
Alright, so who first on?
We have Flipper Coin first. We have Stuffy versus Bad Influence.
I'll pick the kind right now. Or then the kind of one.
Two of them up there.
Bad Influence and Stuffy. Yo, hold on. It's about that kind of one, boss. Got it? Stuffy? Okay, so. Deal that for the girl. Who is it? Stuffy, you decide what to go on in it. You are playing. Stuffy, you play.
Yo, one on that stuffy mobile up in this bumbo clout. One to them Russian, one to them Jahim. Pipe the laser beam. Yo, stuffy, put the bumbo clout to them. One on up in this. Yo, stuffy mobile, one to them blood clot. Boy, that's a beat up them lips and gums. Stuffy mobile run this blood clot zone. Send them home to the bones and zones. Boy, you take this time. Me have a gun, you take seat on plan. Boy, take same time. Spend me someone like a line. Stuff
Watch lady show. Rough them. Bad influence a killer sound. In a real life. Influence a killer sound. Real killer sound. Jump on head a bus way. Deed where the gun there. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. But if we tell a jump on the runway, cause anytime we gun rise up head a bus. Jump on a gunshot in your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life.
One show of hands. All who's just stuff it around the put on. Take them down. All who's a bad influence put up on. Oh, that's so one.
Bad influence, shoot.
Let me say your bad influence song. What party boys stuff you blow back? Right influence, bad one. Two and two never head all. But in white money grip, why are you can't be big mighty? Bad influence we have a girl. Bad influence have to go murder. Bad influence.
Stop it, shoot.
Now you retreat to the #1 foundation champion for your entire generation with positive vibration and the soundbite is a musical murder. Creation, Stuffy Mobile, a rule from creation. Father Stuffy, Jaim, Roshan, no we culture say. Anything test and try tackle. Them a go dead in the back. Check it. If them this, them a go dead this mess. Find themselves up on the dead soundless. Stuffy Mobile, a chemist like this. Stuffy a teacher with no apprentice. Stuffy Mobile where you been through hills and valleys and survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot Stuffy skip and alley. When them think we dead back in the juggling we rally. We want them all up.
All who's a bad influence take it, put up on. Oh, see, look. All who's a Stuffy take it. All who say stuff it take it, put up on the one.
Bad influence too. Influence, done.
Alright, so that's it for me. Bad influence, moving on to the next round. Now, we're gonna flip the coin. Bruno versus Vice Note.
Vice Note, Bruno.
In the meantime, there's a red passo. License plate 8240. HKL 8240KL. A red passo, you're blocking.
We saw that kind of one, boss.
It's a red, no, come on.
Hey, Bruno, you decide who to play.
It's a Vice Note. Bruno.
Bruno, what you say? Vice Note, the man say you for play here, sir.
This is the original Colonel Campbell bigging up Vice Note song. Papa, kill them. Oh. Vice Note, you're the #1 sound. It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day Vice Note killer sound in the dance. Yeah, yeah.
Bruno.
And this is the baddest bomber class on the world. Bruno. Zaga Zap. I would ever have prayed. Oh, the blood clot. I make it clear now. Where are you? Over there, so let me tell you this bomber class. Bruno sound come to murder your bomber class.
Show of hands.
All who's a Vice Note, put up on one. Take them down. All who's a Bruno will take, put up your hand.
Bruno, shoot.
Them fi know say right now Vice Cartel aka DJ the war teacher represent for Bruno. Say I said Bruno kick it like the ball, you know. Now me tell you this. You can't dump me on my mouth. Can't box me on my face. Them can't.
call you off and a puff and a one. You can't come in on my mouth. You can't box Bruno at 9 feet. You have to just say how you feel for say.
Vice Lord, shoot.
Vice Lord, shoot.
I'm most glad. Represent for Vice Lord Mobile Sound. I wouldn't steer two-face. We have a care with the body's 2 days. Push. What clock? Boom, skyline. Boom. Vice Lord Mobile Sound. Tell them. Gunshot, make it jump on. We guns no malfunction. Guns got no that option. But in the sound, but for run from. Never. Shadow grave, not broke on. Vice Lord kill jump on.
Show of hands.
All who say, Bruno take the round and put up the one. Take them down. All who say Vice Lord take it, put up the one.
Bruno. Done.
Alright, so that means Bruno moving on to the next round, alright? In this round we have 3 sounds. So the 3 of them have to go face up. Oh, we have to do the kind now, because we have Money Green, we have D-Max and Amazon. Go ahead now, do me that general.
Yo.
We make that decision, we have to figure out how we have it. Our pick one, let's
Make them speak. I make them play 1-1 song and drop out one. I play 2-2 and drop out one. 1-1 and drop out one and then
alright, you go on, just 3 songs. We want to make sure that the man get them fair chance. So each man will play a song. And the man, 1 single song. See? You see the man will win. That decide who play first and who play last. So you have to play for your chance right now. See it? So the song where you play will win the crowd. If you win the 3, out of the 3, and you will talk who overplay. Who you want to go first?
D-Max.
Mitchell.
And you're more under pressure.
D-Max, boy, man, D-Max, sound, pan, D-Max, you sound them, amplifier strong, run it along, big respect to the man called D-Max, the man called original K-Mix, and the man called Sonny, never run out of money, burner for the broke, check him for many, play by the kings of the soul I bring, original bad man sound, original wicked man sound, original government sound, original boy, leave, the name, funny what bother you don't champion it, Sonny what bother you don't champion it, boy you are not mad yet, boy you are not mad yet, D-Max, look past us.
Amazon.
Hey, don't beat himself and try to test Amazon. That's it, I'm just squeeze it. Them sound you're really top. Know that. Someone this and pass the blood clot mother. Amazon. That mercy. We don't know why them sign them at top of the top. We never get put them in our sound class. We don't know why them sign them at top of the top. We never get. Give me the
Money Green, shoot!
Fucking town, really sound like sound and a limited sound. You know that Kevin's like pound round. So yes, you up to the time and a rich it. Pour more up to the time. That's a rich. Boy, found my bitch. See me a sign of yo. Some boy you talk about them run ass like road from Portmore to Portland. Yeah, I read the bomb sada. Yo, money green up here where you back from. Nor the ends of your chat from. Gunshot make you fall like the bitch over land.
Alright, we're gonna find out now who have the pick. All who say D-Max win this, put up on one right now. All who say Amazon 10 around and put up on the one.
Take them down.
All who say money green, put up on the one. Amazon pick. Who you want to play first, who play second, and who you choose who you want to play. You have the choice.
So hold on, before you move on.
Who you want to play against?
Who you want to play against?
Yeah. Hold on. BMW 7350 JM, you're blocking. BMW 7350 JM, you're blocking.
Alright, they say who Amazon want to play against? Who you want to play against? Money Green or D-Box?
Money green, we saw it.
Amazon, which one of them Amazon? D-Max or Money Green? D-Max.
So good?
Keep some to jump on like crocodile. But it's the sonic, man, I can I'm dance up. But easy man like crack, music and everything that's there. Let me in my mouth, big up. Hey, yeah, demons is a soul killer. Killing some jump and all over. Coming up in a soul and break it up. That's how we are one them again. So demons is a soul killer. Killing some jump and all over.
Yeah, this is Beanie Man, the king of the dancehall, representing Amazon sound. We come for kill sound, so you kill sound and done. Jackson drives the pump action. Godzilla, the shoot push roll it off a pillar. Badman thing in there laughing, and skin teeth, and skylarking, and clean rhythm number. We come for kill sound. None of them close to them no bad like we. None of them close to them no tough like we. None of them close to them no raw. Like it's a church that young and the legend.
Okay, alright. So show up hands. If you think D-Max take the round up, put up your hand. Alright, take them down. One time less.
And show up and all who say Amazon 10 around and put up on the one.
Round this up. Look round. Yo, you look tight, you know? I look like him.
Amazon, shoot. So that's a one. I'm over this up.
Yeah, man. Here are more people, man. There are more people, man.
Amazon, shoot.
Well, this is Beanie Man, the king of the Bumba Clan dancer. Yeah, posting this program that gunshot to them band. Yeah, Amazon sound run the blood clot place overall. It is a Godzilla. Yeah, shoot boy off a pillar, bad man thing, man, a real Bumba Clan killer. Yeah, play murder them, car. We run the place. Sing here, posting this program. Short post roll from a mile here. Them blood run like ice. You didn't got bad man to here with no smile. Them pronounce the youth called D-Max, Boogie and Chemics and Vine. Oh, when you're feeling very up one morning, D-Max, big man, kill a friend that is. Feel like your hand is up your body. Cause I'm the friends smoking and I'm shackles.
Alright, about the show of hands.
All who say Amazon, take that road, put your hands in the air.
If you say Amazon win the round, the show of hands. Take them down.
All who say D-Max, put up the one. D-Max, shoot.
Alright, to the most time, Selassie the first, give thanks to Cyber Man from a far blend of around. Alright, to the D-Max mobile sound is my sound, real sound, D-Max give thanks. Alright, take a mix, there's a play, and yes, alright then. Alright, bring it, yes, get out of it. Alright then, I saw killer in my carving. I guess we must have seen another army. I saw me, yes, they never lose a clash with you, I guess we kill them in that time.
Yeah, this is Amazon sound, top lion sound. That's that. Lion.
By show of hands, all who say D-Max, take the round, they put up the one.
Alright, that's our load. Alright, that's our load. Alright, that's our load. Yeah, alright, that's our load.
By show of hands, all who say Amazon, take the round, they put up the one.
Amazon, man. That can't hide, Amazon, man. You can't hide. No, but Amazon have more on, man. Amazon, man. Amazon have way more on. Amazon have more on. By far.
What you bring on, man? What you say?
Amazon, man.
We're not cold something over this, so alright, Amazon take it.
2-1, the best of 3.
Alright, and the best of 3, so 2-1, that means that Amazon move on to the next round. Alright, so now we have Money Green going up against Amazon. And we have Bad Influence going up against Bruno.
Flip it kind, man. Flip it kind, man. Flip kind, man.
Bad Influence, Bruno. I flip the kind again, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, him get more vote, brother.
Bruno, you win the round, like this.
The first one I talk about, he get a little bit more.
Bad Influence, say you can hear more.
He get a little bit more. The first one.
Russell from 100 Bad Influence. Bad Influence. Don't back up in a Russell and stop. Look up. Iron hard on them. Keep them shine on Chris. Akamasha, who be a written on them. Make a boy turn purple. Let her get it. Lord, show to the winner.
I have no problem.
I hear the voice, you know, the ball door pass. One dance man, I'm here to represent for Bruno. One dance pass. Bruno, make them know say no, you're the killing machine. And no boy can follow you up. Done. 3-9. Hello, Bruno Soul. Dance. Bruno, what of them? Yo, tell them Bruno the cap. You know when you have to say 40 car, 39 good. Bruno kill a sound in the family. Dark, how we know.
All who say Bad Influence, put up an arm. Take them down. All who say Bruno, turn around and put up an arm.
You know, a massacre. You hear me say one Bad Influence. Then the boy violated what them ever done. They say, yo, they the sheriff. From them, one side till the land side. Bad Influence,
influence, badness of it on up. They be sell a day. Bro, one. I saw that. They be sell a day, children. Tell them to violate, you know. They saw never die, hear that? Bad influence. But dog start sell wine stall lock off the store. All time kitchen now my shops are close. 17 short of a shut off them nose. They may sell bad influence. They near me killer, you're me killer. Yes, off the post, killer, you're me killer.
Corona show.
I'm for your bomber clan, I want the bomber clan here.
Hey, bro, now you don't know the thing going on. I know the gun them never swing going on. I mean, I say you're bro, so they know massacre represent. I mean, I say you're genocide. Bro, not how what them kind, everything in them brain, have them body in them hardball. Bad like 90s dancehall. Bro, no sound hardball. Bad like 90s dancehall. Hear me a tell them, man. Yo, bro, no make to murder them, no make to kill them now. Bro, no they pussy them. Start it and them a run them to one call. Boom! That bird don't call us hardball.
All who say bad influence, put up an one.
I get how it roll that man.
Take them down. All who say Bruno, put up an one.
I dash your son. Bad influence, man. Bad influence.
Yes, man. A bad influence, so them know say a bad man too. From any joke you feel like when we're back to boy too. But from boy take it far, you know, so we take it further. Now the share. A murder, bomb bubbler. Who won't me blood clot? Hard me no most no hard hustle, stay on my father. Why are you? Mama, them man, your name got it down, so shove your mother. We're not from
Bruno, show.
I tell you about man who fire out them shot too early.
Can represent. I mean, say how Bruno sound. Genocide. I mean, say how Bruno. Murder boy, you know the thing go green guy. You understand it? Them for no send the roll out and win with a war. You understand? They present favor this bomb plan. So hold on, who gas them up with a busty cylinder? But they can all Bruno out at the window.
All who say bad influence, put up an one. Set them down. All who say Bruno, put up an one.
Kill it, sir. Make somebody that's really not.
Alright.